Hello people, it is Thursday, July 28th, 2022. How you doing? Keeping cool? Well, I'll tell you, last night, just before 5 o'clock, my air conditioner stopped working. It's 92 degrees, humidity high, and I sweat a lot. What I do today, try to find somebody to come out, look at my air conditioner, or take my RV into a shop and try to get it fixed. So that's my day. Air conditioner. Stay cool, whatever you do. Enjoy your day. Do everything you have. And so, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for an update. No air conditioner here in Georgia. It's going to be in the 90s the rest of the week. Have a fine day.